Today I will discuss the most important things, the 10 most common safety officer mistakes and how to fix them. So welcome to my HSC channel. So let's start. So first, number one, the managing from the office. Safety is not managed from the behind the desk. Some safety officer I have seen they are sitting in the room, that means office, and not visit side. So they're spending too much time at the desk and not being the visible outside. So how to fix it? Now be present on the ground and see the work and understand the risks. Work the site daily. Engage with workers and supervisor. Engage and observe. Look the safe and unsafe behavior. Build trust and communication. Your presence show your care. So safety is leadership starts where the work happens. So be present, be aware, be engaged, and make a difference. Number two, the assuming the communication is understood. So clear communication prevent accident. Mistake, what mistake they will do? Now mistake they are doing, now not ensuring the message is clearly understood by everyone. क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड मैसेज को बताना है, मैसेज को कम्युनिकेट करना है, मैसेज कन्वे करना है विद द लोकल लैंग्वेज. सो कम्युनिकेट सिंपली यूज क्लियरली लोकल लैंग्वेज. यूज द विजुअल एड्स के द्वारा you have to convey the message, you have to describe. Use the chart, signs and demonstration. Confirm understanding, ask the questions and listen. Don't assume, verify the message is understood. So good communication builds a safe team. Speak clearly, listen actively, confirm understanding and prevent misunderstanding. Number three, being the too authoritarian or too talent. Balance the build respect, extend the create risk. What is the mistake of being either too strict or unapproachable or too soft and inconsistent? So this type of behavior, don't do that. So how to fix it? Now be firm and but fair. Enforce the rules that consistently, but that people with respect. Set clear expectation. Communicate rules, standards, and consequence. Build the respect through the consistency and mutual trust. Recognize the good behavior, appreciate the safe actions, and encourage the positive culture. So neither fear nor favor, earn respect every day. So be consistent, set expectation, and recognize good work and keep safety a priority. Next one is the ignoring near misses. Today near miss can be tomorrow accident. So what is the mistakes they will do? Overlooking near miss and focusing only on major accident. So how to fix it? Investigate and document all near miss. Treat them as a learning opportunity. Use them as a learning opportunity. So find the root cause of correct it. So next is the trend and analyze. Look the pattern or common issues. Next, the prevent today, protect the tomorrow. Small actions now prevent serious harm. Near miss are warning sign. It is a leading indicator. It is not a lagging indicator. So you must take care about that. Must be identify the root cause of analysis. So learn from them, improve systems, and share lessons. Build a safer team. So stop the small incident before they become a big ones. Number fifth, focusing on PPs. PPs is the last line of defense, not the first line. Someone mistakes. I have seen some safety officer believing the PPs on ensuring safety and ignoring other critical controls. If you ask suddenly what is the safety precaution is required for the height work or anything work, instant you give the answer the full body harness will be. So PPs is the last line defense, not a first line. So according to the hierarchy control, you have to apply at site and you have to answer it like that. Hierarchy control, it is the eliminate the hazards. Substitution, replace the hazards. And engineering control, it is the isolate people from the hazards. Administrative control, change the way people provide the training. So these are the, and last is the PPs. So PPs is the last line of defense. So control protect the job, PPs object the workers, build the safety into the worker, don't really only on PPs. Strong control create a safe workplace. PP is the last line, not the only line. So number six, inadequate or outdated risk assessment. If the assessment is wrong, the control will be wrong. So what is the mistake? The mistake is that using generic, incomplete, and outdated risk assessment. If you prepare that this type of risk assessment, so your assessment will be wrong and your perform also will be wrong. So how to fix it? Now do it the specific assessment. Understand the actual hazards in your work environment. Keep the assessment up to date. Review regularly and update when the condition changes. Involve the right people. Include the supervisors and workers in the assessment progress. Implement and monitor the control. Ensure the actions are effective and continuously monitored. So assess the job, identify real hazards, involve them, get real input, and review regularly. Keep it current. Implement the controls, verify the effectiveness, and good assessment, safe workplace. Number seven, poor incident documentation. If it is not documented if did not happen. Mistake incomplete, incorporate, inaccurate or late incident documentation. How to fix it? Document immediately, records facts while they are fresh and accurate. So be complete and factual. Include what, when, where, who, how and why. This type of question during investigation we have to document it. Use the clear and simple language, avoid the assumption and blame. Investigate and learn. Identify root cause and corrective action. So follow up and close. So verify actions and update records. So document immediately, you have to prepare, be complete, be accurate, focus on facts, not assumption, find root cause analysis and drive solution. So good documentation saves life. So you keep remember. Number 8, not leading by the example. Actions speak louder than words. So expecting others to follow the safety rules, you don't follow yourself. How to fix it? Now, पहले आपको follow the rules, comply with the every safety rules every times. Be visible in the field, work the job site and slow you care. So use the right PPs. We are advised the use the right PPs whenever they required. The reinforcement through the action, your behavior sets the standards, build trust and credibility. So be the standards, set the example. People follow what to do. And safety culture starts with you. No excuse, just leadership, your action today, their safety tomorrow. Number 9, falling to upgrade your skills. Safety is always evolving. Don't get the left behind. Not keeping up the new safety standards, technology, and best practice. You yourself you have to up to date. So how to fix it? Now commit to continuous learning, attend the training and workplace workshops, use the only online courses and resources, network with other professionals, apply what you learn. So learn the continuously, grow professionally, knowledge today, safe tomorrow, and new ideas, better solution. So share, collaborate, and stronger, get stronger, skilled officer, safer workplace. Number 10, ignoring near misses. A near miss today can be accident tomorrow. So you must ignoring that one, ignoring the reporting near miss because no one got hurt. So how to fix this? Recognize the sign, understanding that near miss are warning, not the important event, and report every near miss and encourage the reporting without fear or blame. Investigate and first find cause. So take corrective action and learn and share. So near miss are warning sign. Don't ignore them. People report it. No blame. Just improvement. Find the cause. Fix the problem and prevent today. Protect tomorrow. So every report makes us safer together. Thank you. Safety is everyone's responsibility. Let's learn from our mistakes, fix them, and build a safer, smarter, and stronger workplace together. So stay alert, work together, follow rules, improve always, go home safe. So thank you. Bye bye.